Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Literary Day with English O'Clock. Now, yesterday we completed the explanation of Poets and Pancakes by Asoka Mittal. Sorry, वीडियो थोड़ी लेट गई थी और थोड़ी लंबी भी थी. Really apologies from my end. But the point is that chapter is like that. I really cannot help it. The chapter is like that which has to be done in a very detailed manner. उस chapter में थोड़ा लेंदी होना बनता ही है, क्योंकि मेरा एम है कि आप वो चैप्टर एक बार मेरे साथ पढ़ लो तो आपको पढ़ना ही ना पड़े, आपके सारे ही क्वेरी सॉर्ट हो जाए. तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच ऑफ द टाइम. पहला क्वेश्चन है, और बहुत कम क्वेश्चन हैं इससे, पता है ऑनेस्टली ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं है. दिस चैप्टर इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फ्रॉम द रीडिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड अदरवाइज दिस चैप्टर इज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. अदरवाइज इट्स जस्ट अ फाइन चैप्टर. वॉट डज द गॉड दैट फेल्ड रेफर टू? Now, अब God That Failed क्या थी? That was the book. Name of the book wherein six eminent writers, including Stephen Spender, wrote. And how did our narrator found it? The narrator found it as an old price paperback student edition 50th anniversary के Russian Revolution पे, जो post office road पे उसको मिली थी. And it was about 6 eminent people and their journey towards communism and their disillusioned return. कि वो poets ने उनके ऑथर्स ने उनके बारे में लिखा कम्युनिज्म के बारे में, और कैसे हाउ वर देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड देन दे रिटर्न बैक. ठीक है, ओके. नेक्स्ट, रीड द एक्सट्रैक्ट गिवन बिलो एंड ब्रीफली आंसर द क्वेश्चन दैट फॉलो. फिल्म मेकिंग मस्ट हैव बीन एंड वाज सो इजी with Subbu around. This is that. Okay. What was Subbu's contribution? Up now, Subbu's contribution was multifold. He was one, resourceful, and he was a poet. He was able to connect with people. He was a man who was indispensable for Gemini Studio. Right? He was somewhat the core. In simple sense, we can say that Subbu was a man who gave direction and definition to Gemini Studio when it was getting started. So he was the indispensable part of Gemini Studio in the pioneer years. इतने सारे भारी भारी वर्ड्स बोल रही हूँ मैं, डोंट गेट अफ्रेड. ये सब वर्ड्स आप यूज कर सकते हो अपने आंसर में. What separate identity did Subbu have? He was also a poet. यहाँ पे लिखा है ऑलरेडी, मैंने अभी आप मार्क भी किया है here. Okay, next. How did Subbu use his capabilities? अब now he used his capabilities very deliberately. कि उसको पता है कि क्या masses में चल रहा है, whether he is loved as an actor or he is loved as a poet. So he was very mindful about it. What does the poet mean by during his golden years? Obviously, it means during the prime years, wherein it was all flourishing and all nice. ठीक है, he couldn't have addressed a more dazed and silent audience. ये तब का टाइम है जब हम बोल रहे हैं Stephen Spender has come and he has given his speech, and then everybody was quite amazed, thinking of what he said, and nobody was able to identify what he said. Chapter का नाम हमें पता ही है. He is Stephen Spender. What was he in real life? He was an editor in British periodical, which is Encounter. Editor in British periodical, the Encounter. How did the audience react to his speech? They were just dazed, shocked, perplexed. They could not understand anything. Why was his speech not a success? First, people did not understand it. And two, whosoever tried, his accent was a fail. Because no matter the effort, no matter the intention, जो भी बोला उसने, एक तो लोग समझ ही नहीं पाए. Why? Audience को समझा भी नहीं पाया कि what was his purpose and why did he come. And whosoever was trying also, they could not because of his accent. That was a major hindrance. I believe that इंग्लिश को इंग्लिश की तरह ही पढ़ना चाहिए, नॉट इन हिंदी. क्योंकि अगर आप हिंदी में पढ़ोगे तो आपकी जो मेन प्रॉब्लम है ना, व्हाट टू राइट. स्टोरी हम सबको पता है, बट प्रॉब्लम तभी आती है कि हमें लिखना क्या है. वो वर्ड्स आपको तभी आएंगे जब आप किसी से सुनोगे, राइट? चले, मूविंग ऑन. A girl from the countryside, she hadn't gone through all the stages of worldly experience. So this is how the legal advisor, he just destroyed the entire career. Stages of worldly experience. It implies it is like a situation wherein people are getting experienced. एक phrase होता है which is called as street smart. जब आप इतने सब लोगों से मिल लेते हो तो आप चंट हो जाते हो. You know how to tackle people. You know what to say and what needs to be said to whom. वो awareness. यहाँ पे देखो आंसर में. Select the suitable word from the extract to complete the following analogy. आजकल ये वाले क्वेश्चन भी बहुत आने लगे हैं analogy के. Catapulted का मतलब होता है to pull it towards something. Pull और push एक तरह से. देखो sealed, closed, propelled, catapulted. Select the option to fill in the blank. The harm done to the actress was obviously unintentional. He himself was not aware कि ऐसा हो सकता है या हो जाएगा. Choose the statement that is true for the legal advisor. He disliked the actress. No, really no. He acted after thinking through things carefully. No, it was unintentional. जब मैं बोल रही हूँ unintentional है तो वो कैसे सोच के कैसे एक्ट कर सकता है. तो बेसिकली ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स हैं. हमने ट्रू वाली स्टेटमेंट ढूंढनी है. He did not gel well with others in the department. That is true. He was always dressed smartly. Not really. Always is a very extreme kind of situation. It's this. He could not gel properly with these people because he was a Khadiite. He was a man with cold logic in middle of Khadiites and Dhotiites. Remember this line? चलिए, moving on. Identify the textual clue that allows the reader to infer. Infer का मतलब होता है refer or to understand that the writer is sympathetic towards the professional fate. अब obviously writer sympathetic है क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक phrase है sad end. Like he was upset that her career just actually ended. देखते हैं कहाँ पे है. मतलब I तो know, I'll just show it to you. This says that the author also was quite sympathetic. Ki, what is this happened? It should not have happened. The writer uses the word uniform to refer to the outfits of the members because just like uniform, अब see it's like खादीइट्स और धोतियाइट्स की बात है इसमें फिर से ना. So it is like a common dress for all. अब these apparel, these dress, it was just very common for everyone. They were just wearing the same kind of dhoti and same kind of loose khadi. You know, that was like a uniform. इसमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में बहुत क्लियरली लिख रखा है. एंड इट वॉज कॉमन फॉर ऑल. ठीक है, मूविंग ऑन. अगर आप केयरफुली देखोगे तो एक्चुअली मैंने इस बार इसके आंसर्स भी आपके लिए यहाँ पे लगा दिए हैं सो दैट यू कैन चेक दी आंसर्स योरसेल्फ. देखो, कुछ लॉजिकली स्पीकिंग कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं है एक्स्ट्रा, सच में नहीं है. एक स्टीफन स्पेंडर कौन था? एक बार एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चन हम जरूर देख लेंगे. अगर आपको याद हो तो कल हमने एनसीईआरटी के ये 2 थीम करे थे. एनसीईआरटी में मोस्टली सारे क्वेश्चन हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द ऑथर हैज यूज जेंटल ह्यूमर टू पॉइंट आउट ह्यूमन फॉइबल्स. अब फनी वे में ही हैज टॉक्ड अबाउट हाउ ह्यूमंस हैव मेड मिस्टेक, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट इज समथिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट. वो आपको इंस्टेंसेस पिक करने की हाउ इट इज समथिंग फनी. कोठामंगलम सुब्बू नंबर 2, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ये मैंने इसलिए अपने PYQs में नहीं डाला क्योंकि एनसीईआरटी में है. तो कोठामंगलम सुब्बू वॉज वाई ही वॉज द नंबर 2. पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन है. इट्स लाइक अ कैरेक्टर स्केच ऑफ कोठामंगलम सुब्बू. इंपॉर्टेंट है. हाउ डज द ऑथर डिस्क्राइब द इनकॉन्ग्रुइटी ऑफ द इंग्लिश पोएट? ये वही है इनकॉन्ग्रुइटीज कि हाउ his visit was a fail and how nobody had any knowledge of who this person is. What do you understand about the author's literary inclinations from the account? He was very much involved towards literary inclination. He used to read a lot of things. That is why वो ब्रिटिश तक भी पहुंच गया. ठीक है. और यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं. Who was the English visitor to the studio? How did the author discover who English visitor was? What does God that failed refer to? ये already question में था. Did the people at Gemini Studio political affiliation? नहीं, not really. देखो, since the story is an excerpt, we really cannot comment whether Vasan was a communist or whether he was not a communist. लोगों को पता था whether it was a trick by him to influence people towards communism or it was a trick by him to just ask people not to follow communism. ये excerpt है ना, तो हमें इस पर clarity नहीं है. MRA के बारे में हमने ऑलरेडी देख लिया है कि क्या 2 सीन्स बहुत पॉपुलर थे. इन्फ्लुएंस कैसे थे, क्योंकि वो जोथम वैली और देयर वाज अनदर प्ले जो वो बार बार प्ले कास्ट करते थे और वो उनसे सनराइज और सनसेट के सीन्स कॉपी करते थे. SS वासन था, ये आप ऑलरेडी हाउ हिज विजिट वाज स्टिल इन अनएक्सप्लेन्ड मिस्ट्री. क्वेश्चंस बहुत इजी हैं, कुछ क्वेश्चंस डिफिकल्ट नहीं है यहाँ पे. ऑफिस बॉय सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड बिकॉज व्हाट ही वांटेड टू डू ही कुड नॉट. व्हाट वाज सुब्बू's प्रिंसिपल? ही ऑलवेज वांटेड टू हेल्प पीपल. मैनी साइडेड जीनियस, अगेन सुब्बू से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं. ऑपोजिट ऑफ अदर्स बिकॉज ही वाज लाइक अ मैन विद कोल्ड लॉजिक. यहाँ पे देखो सेम यही लाइन है, मैन विद कोल्ड लॉजिक इन कंपनी ऑफ ड्रीमर्स. Lawyers stand out of because story department was closed. That is why for the very first time the lawyer lost his job because the poets were asked to go home. Right? I hope you have understood it and you know what to do. You can anytime ping me up. You can anytime reach out in my comment section and share your queries, share your feedback. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do. Boards आ रहे हैं and I want कि हम syllabus quickly करें और सब बेनिफिट्स इससे लें थोड़ा थोड़ा. आपके फ्रेंड्स, योर क्लासमेट्स, शेयर इट विद देम, योर ब्रदर्स, सिस्टर्स. एंड that's all for the video. That's all for the day. I'm gonna see you on Monday again with another educational video. Till then, bye.